Dear primary four students, we were talking about the environment and we said that it is everything, every natural thing which is around us, where we live, such as air, land, water. But because of the human bad habits, affect badly on the environment and cause the environmental problems. Let's remember them together. For example, in picture number 1 here, there is a large amount of smoke which cause the air pollution. Air pollution means the air is dirty. People cannot breathe the dirty air or the polluted air. So we have to find a solution to solve this problem. Now, we will remember each environmental problem, then we will remind together how to solve these problems. Problem number 1, the air pollution because of the smoke and the dust. Picture number 2, there are cut trees. People cutting trees, so it causes one of the environmental problems, which is disappearing forests. We know that forests is full of trees which are important for providing us with oxygen and wood, right? So disappearing forests, one of the environmental problems. Next. In picture number 3, there are 3 bins which used in throwing letters. But we put these boxes, or we put the letter in the landfills full of rubbish where these material or these waste material are burned. But burning is one of the reasons which cause the air pollution too. So we have to recycle the rubbish instead of throwing them in the landfills full of rubbish to solve the problem of the air pollution too. Next. Here, it's an area which is full of plants, right? So we can plant trees to solve the problem of disappearing forests. How can we plant the trees in a very short time? We can add compost on the soil to help plants grow fast. Next. There are some animals which are extinct. Extinct means انقرضوا, like dinosaurs. We cannot see dinosaurs, right? So there are some species which are endangered. Endangered means could be harmed. So we have to protect these endangered species from being extinct, right? As people hunt animals, so we can protect the endangered species. Next, there is a beach, and now it is clean, right? But if people throw the rubbish on beaches, they become polluted and not clean beaches. We have to clean up beaches to make it clean and not polluted. Next, if we use the electricity and power more than we need, it wastes energy. Wasting energy is one of the environmental problems, and it is important for all devices and all the electrical devices we need. We have to save the energy. How to save the energy and not to waste the power or the electricity? For example, if I don't need the light, I turn it off when I am sleeping, for example. What can you see in the picture? It is a landfill where the rubbish are burned. If you look at the picture, you can see the smoke which causes the air pollution. And we said we can solve this problem by recycling the rubbish. It means reuse the rubbish in a different way instead of throwing it in the landfills. And here it is a polluted beach where people throw the rubbish. Okay. And now, after we revise the environmental problems and the solution, we want to write an essay. What does essay means? How to write an essay? Before we learned how to write a paragraph. Okay? وقلنا to write a paragraph لازم نسيب space ونكتب introduction أو introductory sentence, then we explain the ideas, right? طيب إيه بقى ال difference between a paragraph and the essay? Essay means a long text, right? Which consists of 3 paragraphs. يعني بدل ما هنكتب just 1 paragraph, we will write 3 paragraphs in a one text. It's a text which consists of 3 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs. What will we write in these paragraphs? Number 1, introduction. Introduction means, or what we will write in the introduction, we will start it in a general sentence. هنبتدي نكتب general sentence, not the title of the essay. مش هنكتب التايتل على طول، بس مجرد ان احنا هنكتب general sentence which is related to the topic. حاجة ليها دعوة بالتوبيك بس مش هنكتب التايتل على طول. هنكتب أول حاجة general sentence which is related to the topic. Then write the ideas in the plan without explanation. What does it mean? يعني لو تفتكر قبل كده كنا بنعمل plan. البلان اللي هو التوبيك of the paragraph والايدياز which is around it. نفس الحكاية في الأساي. بعد ما نكتب الجنرال sentence اللي هي which is related to the topic in an indirect way, we will write the ideas in the plan. هنكتب الايدياز بس اللي احنا هنتكلم عنها بس من غير أي explanation. خلاص؟ وفي كده في الانترودكشن دي paragraph number 1 كده paragraph number 1 خلاص end. تمام؟ is ended. تمام؟ اوكي. picture بقى paragraph number 2, the body of the essay. In the body, we will explain each idea of the plan with examples. يعني احنا just mention the ideas in the introduction. نبتدي بقى ناخد كل idea ونعمل لها explanation نشرحها with examples in the body of the essay. Number 3, conclusion. Conclusion, it is the last paragraph in the essay or the closing paragraph of the essay. We can conclude هننهي الاسي بتاعي إما بadvice or suggestion. الادفايس ممكن أقول you should keep the environment clean, you should protect the environment, you should find the solutions to save or to protect the environment. Okay? Or You can conclude with a suggestion, and we can use the sentence if I were you to make a suggestion. Okay. هنا عندي البلان، ادي البلان بتاعت التوبيك بتاعي. التايتل بتاع التوبيك how to save our planet, how to protect our environment. They are the same topic. اوكي. ونبتدي نجيب الايدياز. ادي كل الايدياز اللي عندي في التوبيك بتاعي. اوكي. the problem and the solution. ادي كل الايدياز هنقراهم كده مع بعض، واحنا عايزين نكتب البلان بالطريقه دي to remind ourselves. You will start the plan with writing the title inside the circle like that. Then we will write all the ideas which are related. The first idea, the air pollution, right? How to solve this problem by planting trees, right? As they provide oxygen, which makes the air clean, not dirty, okay? Or we can use public transport, okay? As the amount of the smoke will reduce instead of each one will take his individual car or his own car. Next, wasting energy. Wasting energy means overuse in electricity or power. To solve this problem, turn off lights when we don't need them. Next, polluted beaches. How to solve this problem? Clean up beaches. Animals being hunted means killing. Animals killing. How to solve this problem? By protecting the endangered species. Landfills full of rubbish. It means the land where the material are burned. To solve this problem, we could recycle the rubbish. The last one, disappearing forests. We can solve this problem by planting trees. We can add compost on the soil to help plants grow fast. And now it's a sample of the essay. The title here, environmental problems. In the first paragraph, we have to leave a space before writing the first line in the paragraph. Okay, and the first paragraph is the introduction of the essay. We will start it in a general sentence. Let's read it together. Human activities affect badly on the environment. It suffers from the bad habits of people. To live more safe, there are some advice which must be followed, such as هنبتدي بقى نعمل ايه؟ هنكتب بس الايدياز بتاعت البلان اللي احنا كتبناها بره. Planting trees, saving electricity, and recycle rubbish. كده خلصنا الانترودكشن. Paragraph number 2 البادي. ناخد أول ايديا مثلا نبتدي نعمل لها explanation نشرحها ونديها example. Planting trees will solve the problem of what? Of air pollution. Why? As they provide the environment with oxygen to breathe fresh air, right? Farmers always add compost to soil during planting to help the plants grow fast. Okay, and what about the other two ideas? I wanted to use each idea to complete the body of the essay. How to use it to complete the body? You will explain it with an example. عايزك تشرح how to save the electricity not to waste the energy وتديني example على ده. Then I want to explain idea number 3 how to recycle the rubbish. وrecycling rubbish ده يعتبر solution لأنهي environmental problem علشان نكمل بيه البادي. خلاص أنا هنا عملت لك explanation لأول idea. Then أنا عايزاك بقى to complete the body with idea number 2 اللي هي saving electricity and idea number 3 اللي هي recycle rubbish. خلاص دلوقتي بقى ده الكونكلوجن اللي هو the last paragraph in writing essay. هنا مديلك advice you should save electricity not to waste energy. Stop ادي advice تانية stop throwing rubbish into landfills but recycle it with the old cans and bottles. كده المفروض الاسي بتاعي بيخلص. ادي اول باراجراف الانترودكشن وده البادي مشروع فيه just one idea وانت you will complete it. وده اخر باراجراف اللي هو الكونكلوجن. دي عندي general rules to write the essay. Don't forget number 1 to leave a space in the first line of each paragraph both at the introduction, body, conclusion. You have to leave a space in the first line. The first word in each sentence must be written in a capital letter. ودي طبعا حاجة عارفينها. أول كلمة في كل sentence لازم تكون capital. Put full stop at the end of each sentence. Thank you for your listening.